Good morning, 4311. This is Miss Green. Hope everyone is doing well. So today we're going to be doing session 2 of writing workshop. And we are going to be looking at raising the levels of our entries. What does that mean? Well, writers write new entries all the time. Writers revise old entries. They use all that they know about powerful story writing to help them when they're writing new entries or revising old ones. Ask yourself questions like, can my readers picture the setting? Am I making this clear when I'm writing what the setting is? Are there characters that are talking? Is there dialogue in my story? Does my story have a conflict? Did you set up a conflict? And also, is there a resolution to the conflict? Look at the anchor chart, the story elements, and make sure that you have all these elements in your story. The characters, including people, animals, the setting, where, when does it take place, or where, the problem, the conflict, the resolution. So take a look at the story elements chart and make sure when you are writing your entries, you are including all these elements. Use your prior writing skills and add new skills and strategies. So you remember what you have learned over the years in writing workshops. You have learned a lot. You are all very good writers. So remember what you have learned. Strong stories are more than just retells. Use all the strategies you've learned as you develop your stories. Let's look at a narrative writing sample together. Think about when you're reading this story with me. Are you hooked? Are there characters in the story? Is there a conflict or a problem? Is there a resolution? Let's read it together. I'm going to try to make the screen a little bigger so I can see and everyone else can see. So already I can see there is a title. The title is Keep an Eye on the Sky. So I like that there is a title. Your pieces should have a title as well. Let's start. I was in gym class when my teacher suggested we go outside and play softball. As we made our way out to the field, my stomach slowly turned into a giant knot of fear. Softball is just not my game. I have a knack for always getting hit in the head by the ball. Oh no. It doesn't matter where I'm standing, the ball just seems to find me. My teammates gave me a glove and put me way out in the left field. I didn't complain. I just wanted to make sure I know when gym class ended so I wouldn't be left behind. I'm going to make the screen, bear with me, I'm going to make the screen a little bigger. There we go. Nothing happened the first 3 innings. Well, things happened, but not in my little part of the softball field. I started daydreaming. The next thing I knew, I heard the sound of a ball whizzing through the air. I put up my gloves to protect my head, and an amazing thing happened. I caught the ball in my glove. Whoa! Not only did I catch the ball, but I helped my team to win. Yay! I was a hero to my classmates for the rest of the day, and I learned something. I may not always see the flying balls that come my way, but I can always take a chance and try to catch one. So let's look at some of the story elements. Did you notice? Well, we talked about there's a title. Did you notice that the writer sets the scene and makes the reader want to read more? That's the hook right there in this very first paragraph. She's describing the experience that happened to her. And the writer describes a problem that she's facing, she or he's facing, right? What is the problem? Softball is not her game. She's afraid that she's going to get hit in the head by the ball. And now we find there's characters in the game, at least she's a character in the game, and the writer gives details to help the reader form a picture of events. So we have details happening. And these events are happening in order. There is a resolution at the end. So we have the reader is hooked right away in the first paragraph. There is a problem. The problem is that this is not her favorite game and she's always scared to play it. There is a character. There's details added so the readers can form a picture. And the writer shared what she learned from the experience. So all these elements, story elements, are here in this story. And this is what you would try to do as you write your own entries in your journal and your own stories. Well, that's all for today. Stay tuned to Writing Workshop 3. Have a good day. Bye.